I'm here at Internet of Things World 2017 with Don Reeves, Chief Technology Officer of Silver Spring Networks. Don, could you tell me a little bit more about your organization and what you do?
Sure. So Silver Spring is a provider of platforms for Internet of Important Things. We focus on not only the communications network, but also a data platform for managing the vast amount of data that comes off that network.
And you just spoke on the main stage about industrial IoT. What did you cover, and what insights did you share with your audience?
Sure. So we talked about a variety of topics, including scalability, security, edge intelligence. I focused on what we're now calling our IoT Bill of Rights. So the notion of a set of expectations that every customer should have with respect to their IoT platform provider, and that's really born out of our experience with our 26 million connected devices around the world.
Would you say there's been a shortage in industrial IoT case studies today?
Well, I think it probably depends upon the vertical, right? So within the utility space, we've now been doing this for over a decade, and I'd say we're well into the middle innings in terms of value that's being derived and application across the industry. But I think there's other verticals where it's still very new, and we're probably more in the top or bottom of the first, and that's where a lot of the learning is still happening.
And what do you think needs to be done to kind of accelerate these use cases and make them more frequent and...
Well, I think one of the key learnings from our experience in the utility and now smart city space is really around standards. Standards can help dramatically accelerate the adoption of IoT technology and delivering new value to the customers. So I'd say that's an area where I would focus as an industry on driving those standards and then getting adoption of that to go ahead and drive interoperability.
What's your favorite industrial IoT case study that you've seen today?
The one I always get excited about is ones where it's a win for the end consumer as well as our direct customer. So probably our most exciting case there has been with OG&E in Oklahoma, where they've rolled out a demand response program leveraging IoT technology. Net result, they avoided spending $300 million on a power plant that only operates 10 days a year, and end customers are saving $150 a year. So a gigantic win for everyone.
Excellent. And last of all, when do you think the floodgates are going to open on industrial IoT case studies like this, and what's going to cause it?
Well, again, I think it gets back to how easy it is to connect new devices and make use of that data. So again, standards drive a huge factor there. And frankly, I think it's more of conferences like this of getting the word out as to what is already available today. This is not necessarily new technology we're waiting for. It's here today, exists today, can be leveraged today.
Great, thank you, Don.
Hey, thank you.